Hi! Good day! This is Kat Amoroso and welcome to A Day in My Life. So ngayon ay pupunta ako sa work and then as a commuter tayo ngayon. So every time I commute, 2 rides talaga ako. One ride going to the terminal and one ride naman going to the school. So it's almost 6 a.m. and ito na kami. So since walking distance lang naman yung school namin from the highway, so lalakarin na lang namin. So I am here with Ma'am Marley, ang aking office mate, and she commute every day. So finally, we arrived. So nandito kami sa school, and then yung office namin, this is our home economics. Nandito kami nagsistay ni Ma'am together with Sir Mario Tampos. And then since wala pang time, kain na tayo ng palitaw. Thank you po kay Saus na nagbibenta dito everyday sa amin. And Suman as well. So sarap dito. So after this, I am ready to have my classes. And of course, thank you everyone for watching.